Waloni. Only one like the new way that social media, one new way that. How new way that a camera. Where sell you. How new way that camera. Very ugly woman. And the woman more, but yeah, we go. And then the Francobos will do you away, madame. My work social media don't give away. Uwege. Wada. Uwe no yana is again haliziku. And then all do give away. Any makulo you go away them. You go, hey, but he go tell you, madam. You don't know. So my brother go here. La contribute to you. Agwa mama.
Nah, you know.
Because he can't play the video.
Emilio Tayo. Wa bega be mo ya fefe abe emi pano mo bogwan kan e mata na. Abe mani be ya dan mi yan o na mi bi we esowo ni bu ya mu ere gboto. Bi aguta no wi o word audit. Oze do mari mago bi edo no and gelegele na mata.
Obi so no.
Edo ni ata na mama. Obi jo e word audit. Word audit na one day no mu no gwa kan ebe wo e no ya mu we gboto. Oni na gari ba kate or when me shall do when you are promoted do. Okay, me so no mu ya because when you are promoted be yo. Orisun no mu ya u. E word audit me like de when e ma dule ma mu se kinape wa e. We mi wo abo jibe ya fefe ni awo me one day no do gwa kan. When you vie we akulu e mi wo ga mi vote ni awu. O me do gwa kan one day. We be abolo fa wa ni. Well, I mean, nearly no way, like a month or the raw. Oh, Bia, no gari lobia coquone. Only dog here who were poo women in Yalobia care. When no jeer. A bomber beg your knee, tell one or one or got lame ho, Nemaga dummy ho. Or my Nemaga me a fiawa, no, because or mocha. Oh, Biamo, Bioja, or Galobia coquone. Only dogata la diabe, who were boo, only dog given a bed. Egbon ma be yo na ite bege we bege bo gun to asenfo because emi dan ola de wunu ado ma ni se fi ebe o ma gbon because o ma gbon ti lo be kokoro do ta la je be no je o ma gbon ka be ti be la je wu no do gebe ni gboko je abo mo ja o wa na sen wore o wa ni ati e bo na be na ya nusu ni aja sen na o do agbegbe kine e francomozu odoni ne mana be do bege obedo rie mo we be do na mi we nene francomozu obegun ya we mi so ne no ma yeta la je ni agu mo ni agu lele ne do fanya wa maybe o si enya na we no sense no do na because o we ya regbere aya bo yen ne do wenu we je na we o wana na o for that matter o bia na lo vie kokwo ona do agebe ne gbe je egbo ma be yo ni asoku ase egbo ma be yo ni o biaro do gbo ni to akero ko ami no fi to ase fua okay ko biara wa bego ni wo gun ase fo to aso to fua because me dan o biaro ma se mi o biani amuria o biani akwu enya ba ga nusun egbo ni no eri be je no bia o bia ma be keke no be mu dia egbo ni no dan egbo ni because ogbo o Messi o ma no te Messi laja na ya we mi bebo o ma no te be na ebude no ibude no ma ya we mi agbon o ma no we mi no maybe wo ga agun wa ebe ni ara ya we mi o ga mi esi aya wu egbe ma be yo ni adam me o abe ma ni akwu enya abe ma ni amuri abe ma ni ajase na be na ya nusu na sengi wore isu abe na be abe nana iya ga lo be ke odafe riyan oboke riyan be ne de nana ido mi ya nyogo oboke riyan be ne de nana ido mi na ido moase no na ido jase na ido jania ona ido mwebo na ido moase na ido ti ase mwebo gbiyan awa seni ni ajani abari anusu ni o wore o lo hiyan hiyan ni mani bu memo boy egbe wa ni ajase na be na anusu egbe ma na te lele hiyan na lao bia wo na go mana ya dame oi na go mana ya ibude wo boy oni do tayu we wa ya wa we se bia do nuzo mo wa ga dame ga wa ya ri obojo ni because abe ma me na agbo gbe ya ni ya igwalo ni ya si biagbe abo mo ne ki gbe ni no ma mi agbe bo ya gbe bo na Awa mebenia, I desi Kenya kakaka. So the only way to tie of Havana, why I was so.
Well, say my brother, Salobo Adebawe, thank you very much. Why you got me? Salobo Adebawe. You see this video? You might not the picture of everyone now. Small boy. No, my is just 30, I think 35. No, claiming 47 years. Or no wow, Dion, I say 47. Or I know Dion, I say 47 years. No, that was Ori where a dede will not be a lady, be a different man. This idiot will come out. Ori do time of doctor. Or where? Eh bien, don't know see a good one with on you. Me no a good one. You know, share the video. A bloggers in Amwe. Or when you know what my boy. Or when I go be a lenic be her. Or when that or down a shower. What's all what the Pamanagua? And my wife no over 60 something years iye kevi. Ikbiene or bielena ikbiene. As we speak, Origbo no bieno keke nage kevi. Oni on lefele for more. Iye kevi on deport Origbo in Nigeria. This is somebody who would damn your advice again. This is somebody no here lad where all do atie bono work ba no biele ni pieva or ikpea where okwoni e mo nyime o se mo na go do so na biele ikpea and okwoni etie my wife e de day ikpea ne or biele na 4 different men, no one they good terms with them. No one, even near that near Biakeke no worry, Guyamobo, not your Kani Kevin and Muhammad Magno. Or your Kanima, or my never year about. Und all your 20, we get deport of Bonera. You're not one wake here. I know no matter who ye Kevin is sitting on you. Who ye Kevin? I at here welcome. Welcome to the city of Roma. Who ye Kevin? This is the same person that will come out to be insulting women, and you see some useless women. They call themselves elderly women and in a way a gallant women going to this idiot's platform. These are equal doggy man in Tawe. Oh yes, say he. They will still go to his platform. Here, support a few tomorrow they will say, oh, we are doing him. One of them. Or what baby organiati ije okwo obiokwo e mama ni o wa baby oge ona ari egwa when egwa do simi o sege ni e iga baby on o oge aba oge asin egwa ga abi e da egwa me se the same obi ije obiokwo on la platform e boy na when the boy na ya fi pe egwa o ma le platform ni me do pe no time we stop this thing you are doing. It's not fair. I asked one of my sister last week, what did they call Jessie? I asked her, I said, you don't insult me, and you they go on most platform. But we are good here, and you say working. When my baby fracomoso, you have few beg or when mama he told him, he beg eh. He might baby again, he beg eh, what or we not stop, or we get lava, then I clap for her. Any of you do never very bad. Where were you, chief? You were here. I ain't never do a bad worker. I ain't never do. Where I like platform, no one of you but get by that way. Who ya boy, who ya you no man, go give fat boy. Who was so who are? Wama who are? Why so everyone? That come with a chief in it, or can I not buy with your core? That bed down wakiri. Just because you give me the dene, Bokukuye de dohun, honor do ye buy in 47 years, or 10 years, we are about you, or I say 47. Or we are about you, or we are about you, I say 47. This idiot no do I think what don't trust me social media. You know, or two and nekere, na mugo your at the age of 22, I be 21, I am going to be new. Or two and na ya again. Or 1 year, near that for rent, you're not renting 1 room. I will tell you, you know, why you can't, or two and a a man like dog bought you and a I get tired and wait, yes, you know, Johnny, have your war. Or why you do tell me, you have your job war. But you can't like down, seeing on the end of social media, but all of you one equal. Can war about why you alive, honey. Then you see some idiot men, not how we are doing. They will be going to his platform of you get why. Why I get no power we a community, not power we a coffee, not power we one day. Here introduce me as we say the platform man of you get why. And away the rubbish and then I do this one of your cartoon na mu e makaru. Bogbe tiki wetin polo mere bona mu gbin ohun na gbin. Start continue to report the video. Why report the video now? Every day. Why report it? I don't care. I'm not looking for views. Ya temi ata no bu wag mo ya. Awag mo gegbe. Ebe so we Ivie ka temi na asokpa. That's what matters a lot. That's what matters. Do you understand what I'm saying? This idiot in no whole one. No fukbe. You understand what I'm saying? No mami abebo yak bebo webu. Ebo no biamu gbe no ko iyan wo me. Ko bi jeme bokiyan baba. Ko bi jeme. Bokiyan ma yi wina. Bokiyan iyan wo Bokiyan. This idiot now, from commence war, or sayeme no ye koeti, never be me laughing at woo. Ukpono ko demila nera, ere ma se no be me la. Ukponera woo. Okwo, the letter be you wa ni egbe centro, all do article be centro. Letter be you wa no gbe centro, ona make sure we egbe geni, egbe di ni o ibe bi o igo ne. The letter be you wani or ya via nire. Iya mamigo ya vie nemi ya no ya via. Letter be you wa or via nere iye koeti nere franco mozuo. Ni ati o sa mebe. No sama yebe bagun o ma yebe himi. Ukpone the letter be you wa demi la nere franco mozuo iye koeti. Ukponi ere fianwu nuda owe atop yokpa o masa fianwu yemila but ere frakomos wona te ye kweti ona fianwu yemila upo no yemila upo ni owu nuda owo kan no ma se no sugwa pata ona sugwa pata emi amere rogbe o ma se no yemila okwo ige centro aya okwo demilani okwo ya via ne o sie no milani petu oyo ona si obono si no ko ela imi ona ho iwie ya wa iwie ya ho ho okwo no ma erede no vie egbe centro o milari oboye mi no ma gba o mila ewe te efra commence wo ga gba bi you wa later bi you wa centro. And the letter be one we go la jan nere francomoso ya avi omila o mila na gbere francomoso ona gbe wo ge francomoso yin wa o reti yin ri na yin enjoy o ma re bo o he yo bo yo we o he yo eko na do ye gbigbigbi e bi dokpa iwa ze go eko wa so okpa e bona hin una call this one normal fatness e bona hin ya o yo ka tun yin alagbodi yime odien omozo alagbodi yime ni mi yime afi omo odien frank omozo no do claim 47 years alagbodi yime ni mi yime afi omo odien frank omozo amupa mu we gena ena mania then hoku gwa ni ku no lavani. Some of you presenters, no your platform okay. Who go with video one away? No face, no first hour. Una no agbe wa pa. Oh we are doing here. Why be me amia? I mean wow. Then why me say? I be me wow yo. Why you rob yo? Who start talk bua? Who is this illegal immigrant? No say no to Europe tour. No, your boy agba whether we aware every scatter oma every not sunu any party na me where here do your bog weba in keke of you zone Spain. Near do your bog weba where here we say no to Europe tour. Here we near one no have a party destroy okay no. The only thing that happened we babe party near me pa no sunu where here a license na Yahweh show. Here a license na Yahweh show. And we will never be saver. Here tie police. Have almost what tie police we go na Yahweh show ni Oma no me pali here gejo. Onye saver ni oni taloge. Only Italoge, then the police get they not confirm or control man away, no gelewe show. A license. Na ya organization. Or see the only two near in a society. Anywhere it's just because of an email license. You cannot tell me we are in Europe with I will imagine. I go say I be promoter now. Even with musician in Nigeria. Yeah, license. Australia me wajena. Yeah, pay tax. Ne finance amt. A police, friend the police. Yeah, license me as a promoter. I have every right to have money mission day. Even mission maybe yeah, tawe mission I only work in Africa day. Here a visa, maybe like 6 months visa. Here no ya day, not the way they show. You think anybody can just call strap police and tell them where this show na so it be, na so it be. Hogbalek baby pay office here. They will not live there. The only thing they will do, they will only call me where ni make sure where in a security no radar area and the motor police area name not safer here with the area near park because of fight because I'm not here my mission or yade they and it's not allowed, so they will tell me to get security and police cars will be there. I'm going to pay tax for it. Yes, that's what's up. But the problem is that most of these promoters, because here Gwaliga Gege, here ma oni agabo, all do I see nonsense na. Na na me where here Gelewate police Gelewase wa control no a license no ya a promoter, then they will tell everybody to go home because all you na be true. All you na get who be true a finance amt. If you have the permission, you have the license na ya mama de where the promoter okay or looking, nobody can stop you, nobody can say anything. Police no tag bona, you no go feel work. Do you know why? Police will not even move an inch. The only thing they will do is to call me to advise me where they got some threats calls. If I threatening, a police to be a motor no have that way party no have that way honey. Because he pay tax, I will not pay the police, but it's with my tax money. A government of here, he go a tax in me pay. A government can have pay police. And at the end of the year, Yahweh tax refund. Yahweh, I will get do why so now I'm why. If you register whatever you are doing as a promoter or whatever, or register at the end of the year, you will get everything. Even when I'm going to day, or when you're going to lose at the end of the year, you are going to get back all your taxes. That's called tax refund. They're going to pay everything back to you. Because Because where we promote a promoter, you are now like a self-standing. They will tax you more a little bit. But at the end of the day, you are going to get all those money we were lost in Ikuni. Just because some of them, no, you don't do that in Europe. You pay your tax. So what am I trying to say? If you pay your tax, there is no way police and you have your license, police will just come to your home and tell you, no, it's not possible. That's the problem some of these promoters has. I'm not lying. Because these are a bunch of idiots, bunch of illiterates. Lady of song, add that in here, please. Take it or leave it. Lady of song. Osalobo no gba ori monu. Okbiari no ori no when you more ya yobo. Mu area. Because too much igbene. Even we were offending the lady of song. Iyabo wene. Maybe me yobi on iye wene. Iye wene. But akmona ami o mana imi emi nekwe. O ma no offend we. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. O ye bi e yobi o ya ye. Wa we lady of song gige. O wa mana fian hu ye mo ene wa egwe. Osalobo do amu we. What they offend? Whatever you say, where do you know we be? I was Salobo do I deal with you. So advice in having no lady of song. Esther, we don't buy it. Ibudeni having one of my lovely sister. Please share this video, very important. But now take it or leave it. You might do stay European area or do my area. Or what the tickets? Will I plane? Who say when I be in the rock by way? Let you Salobo I won't bad get away. Why say when I be in the when we act by Nigeria? A war land if a weapon. Why say Europe? Did tell you Cabio, I was with the first show. Then France, no. Why say any country ni? One hour show at here. Maybe must over 1 week before or over 2 days before. When what we report, go to the nearest police station, take their videos of threats. Where you have no problem with them, you are a musician, you have been coming to Europe, you have a Schengen visa, but there are 2 sets of people. Where a Nigerian city here constitute nuisance, they always fight in the streets. Then you advise them, even here in a street, even a Europe in Africa, a Europe, then 2 stupid idiots, these 2 sets of idiots, they have been threatening you. You have a show as who make sure we promoters on a license. Because most of them, they are promoters, they don't have license. They are just doing it to make quick money. That is all this nonsense. If you know you are a promoter, go and do your license and pay your tax. At the end of the year, you will get all your money back. Money when you lose for the show, the one when you gain, the one you take back, then you go get them back at the end of the year. My people, do you know how much where they get back for tax refund every year? As a worker, you know how much they get back every year. Let me shoot better. Please, as a promoter, go and register whatever you are doing. Be paying tax. Do you know what a tax that's a team? Or maybe I mean, who work? Or maybe can say a business where you can also go to if you don't some Tamia where a business now you they lose where they will reduce it for you as well. At the end of the year, you will get your money back as well. They will reduce it. Because in work money you be here control here begging. You understand what I'm saying? Please go and register whatever you are doing. As a promoter, make sure you register. So, lady of song, on our advice in here, Tamawe, where this bunch of fools, they have been threatening you. They said a show no here now do a city now. Here where the show, you get here game and here dog winner. Lady or son do till promoter no more there boni. On a me license, on a pay tax. Here me no only as a promoter. A police even here will not here. About money you think you're computer. Pak. Utu eniye. Franco Moswo eniye isi ye koiti. Iyobo Victor already here. Here work when me ya no je me ya fe a threatening who have your videos in here. I don't know I saw that country before Austria. All these things they work. Ask anybody with the Austria. We are one total. In fact, here my cafe no when we tell them no boom because here I'm a winner. Excuse me. A crime mobile Austria so a police in my here I'm a winner. We are why you make a report to me now. I'm a cafe no work by for me allow. When they work and I smoke, I'm way Australian. Do go on no cigar. I'm way Australian when we are cigar. We are bullet. So cool we what we are what to talk. Oh, I think why you 3 hours, 4 hours here we back money. Oh, I be wait for me. Oh, wait cafe wait for me. Are you okay? Me I'm cafe away go. More people know what they involve. More video. A video no one more. A police in no Google office in I want to send all those videos. I want to send them here. That's fair doing now. See, I mean, and then that time from Commons will not play over 2 days here, 24 hours here in York by Germany. What have you done with Germany? More way. What your ballet with Germany? What here? Me no, you know. Everybody knows what I'm doing. Eat your ballet, Bob. You're not be more here, you not send the video here, your brr. Every yak back. You not send the address okay? Man, you have your address okay? 24 hours. Hey boy, they do not go over. Hey boy, no, you tell you total. On enough where there's nothing I can do. We cannot take lawyer anymore. They say you should leave 24 hours. And you have if not, I'm going to go in for it for keeping an illegal person, illegal structure in my house. Or you live overnight. Ola kokorie begge. Or you live Germany. I be telling. Now me do and call police. Now you have to call police. I showed everything on Facebook. If they follow me, go see after he showing me on Facebook back. So yeah, on it. Here I be a coffee no way. Here do be email no. Here we do me. Have a video na ya no send the email here. Do me. A police no about gwani. Or your WhatsApp no bag no. Or no send the whole video. No send the WhatsApp or here. Ah God, il like construct besha. Oh si ebona. Me se tik my ebona re. I baba I tell you. Do we locate it with America eboni. He was Austria. Cause we are there a country no massive, no massive weapon. Austria, you know, Austria no swag. Austria, hey, have your boy. Unless we marry you, we are your partner. One time, one heart. Australia ni yaku. Who pay tax your mapado are threatening women in can't stay not to Europe to here no woman a police noir. They will ask a police noir immigration officer no. Wait, really? For you to even tell them that they threaten you say you not come do so. Anna really? Okay, I have to hammer man. Okay. For you to even talk say that they threaten you. Like my man, or you have a network you were more stable. No, I meet you. They go follow up from there. Please, lady of song. And your pani atama we, one musician. Wala wo wama kemu wa de to. Me webo. Wa make sure we a promoter ni on a license. Or register a business or a promoting job, you know. More. Wala. Also, me I like it 24 bit. 24 bit now. Oh, we are more artist idea a webo where otherwise I take police. The police no, the police never get there. We are not pay tax every year. Even if you have maybe more artist is more than 1 year now. All you pay tax every month. I have your boy. You understand me? So, Lady of Song, that's what you're going to do. Any city, you know what, then any city in region, make sure who are the nearest police, most especially Italy. Our Italy, a video no most we are threatening anywhere, no ya bully you online, everything. You are not baligbe. Do you understand what I'm saying? Or when we're showing our Ghana, or we argue on a near dog bring a show, when near dog bomb our show. You know what to say. You are not the baby. And when any Nigerian Genoa, no Zuana. Ama na ya ge or you to work when you are waking promoter of him with Lady of Song given your wagwa musician no ya dog me no gwe me ge boy na ka mo bi musician na go pe no kewe na we kemi e party una mi ne show e show no ma na gbenu nu via be gogo no lado ya unu wa ko la ko ye ku gwe ke gogo no la ke ya na go abugwa wa ko ma oni tie bo don wa nu na ya de even gwe na du gwe ma gwe no zuwa na e de Italy gwe gwe mebe Ume baby tali almost we mebe. Ene ne vie mama ani we meje. Ke city du we ya vie e part of our we. Ke part of our vie mama inu e wasi. Even a part of our we when na vie police, when na vie unless ume license he. Wa gba liga gege. Wa vie boye mi no magba. I say no ana mugwa. Come I see no reason why I will have my license as a promoter. He do amwe two small idiots, one bastard or two bastard never be. I do. Or you son or already lucky no ya la we boni mebe. E de day or money you wa. O no bielene or say na we egboko. O no wa bielene wa miwe. Odienye no bi ye egbawo kan yin ya wu. Iyin amato. Iyin at the age of 33 or ya wu. Iyin amato. Uzon ya era uzon iye uzon. Then you went to that kind of platform where nobody say ne boy na came with me shame to came with ya gboto no ke we you me or tour or Europe toy no sun agno no ke ro wi e ban you know no ke fi pa je gwa ri e ban una bi platform go na ya anya kon ya da owu mi na ya mo dede na mo ri oba dede e bu de pa bu de pa me na wo bu de pa do yo gwa je me go baba kakabo when I meet it we to hear me na go
it's so one first obege issue na no roto na issue na me ma blame me na be all this refrat all this francomozo and that the world whatever a boy me ma blame me because our people some they too greedy na greediness na dey worry them. How you go want to do show you know if I go fight for certificates license first one and no go fight for license because if you get your license all this rubbish no you no go to your call.
Brother, sister, that's your problem.
You don't talk on yours now wetin I be wan even talk na be this because this issue I don look am left right and center I say the problem wey most of our people dey face. The problem wey most of our people this show organizer wetin dem dey face dem no get license. You understand? Okay, fine. Even though say you no still get license, there is another option whereby you can be able to be doing your show. No, if anybody interfere, that person go see the problem. Look for someone who have license. You will do collaboration with that person. That person license go cover you.
They don't want to go mobile. They only they want collect the money. Who license for our illegal business in Weibo?
That person license, he go cover you. If you look for someone wey get license and that person license cover you, if this boy Franco Moswell come dey misbehave the way they misbehave so, he go, you know the kind bill when your lawyer go bill am, the bill wey be say you go look for lawyer wey go bill this guy. No be only going to police because if you go police, you
because go make they tamper with your business because that business when you dey do so you dey pay tax every month.
Yes.
Your lawyer will deal with that person, that motherfucker. No, can you temper with your business?
Your lawyer and I go right. You no even need to go with police, come they do donation, those ones they waste time now. Your lawyer go just sit down. Wetin you need na your address. As far as say picture, everything dey public. You just send your lawyer just sit down. Letter instantly don court case don start. Play. This guy he go pay you for damage. When una know wetin una suppose to do, una just be akagun. It doesn't make sense. Una go look for certificate first. Show promoter Europe. Una go look for license. Because if you get your license, if this boy come dey misbehave, your license don already cover you. And he himself, they not born papa well. Say go come out, go come chat, say no to Euro tours. Now he dey talk am, now he get Europe, now papa get Europe. Person wey be say follow land enter Europe. He never even get permit to stay. Person wey never even get permit to stay, they tell other people say no to Euro tours. Court go ask and say, are you the owner of the Europe? 1 year now your papa
immigration.
Now you be immigration, now you go tell people when you go enter. Who give you that authority? Who give you that order for you to decide who go enter and who not go enter?
I'm mute. What about I'm mute? What about I'm mute? Hello. Okay. What about I'm mute? Okay.
You understand? So this thing na rubbish. Na be all these things. So abeg, if you be show promoter for Europe, I know say no easy. Please go fight for your certificate. Go fight, put very important, because once you don't get that your license don't cover you already. You understand? Your license don't cover you already. Please, to avoid all this kind of backbones, when this boy now go come be like say na him come be oduga. You no be oduga anything. If you not get, look for someone when he get, when go cover you, you give am money, una go organize am together. You go be like say na the person na he bring them come.
I not vex so if not for stupidity say mokpa that they do work for abroad, not person for they do illegal business say you not register am. If the should not be that thing, that day where this Jerry Angel for that party where for that show where they do for Italy, where that boy go fight for them. Normally he has every right to call police go even there outside. He has every right to call the police. Police that go carry a muzzle. If I'm Victor,
May I round up with my submission, my mute.
Yeah, what mute round up.
Now, for Esther, our sister, while we forgive you, I think Igba over why make a video now. Igba, I beg. What's over here? Walao, you people should forgive her. For me, Esther is one of the female musicians we be say our kakabori we. I know that the rest they come but we know they know like that. But Esther how you do show all the time. I beg.
The biggest female musician. Yeah, tell me the biggest female musician. When you
nothing. Eme no ta oma mu eyowa or see me ya. But since you even reframe you don't take our words back where wala wa agree. Everybody on TV wege. Why can't we forgive her? Who's got dirtiness this thing be this one? When on wake be all those kind of things. Please, we should forgive her. Otimano. Voilà. On your back can you only tell mama Costa.
Well say Baba young walk man. Normal forgive Esther. Or Lord your hair. Oh give out forgive. Here we are forgive you. We boso. No one even so here here the go no we have forgiving you one when you ask when you are bello we are not when you are pay. Yeah, who are more than the Chris. Ever going. I money who are the daughter we have.
I'm fracking now.
Mama forgive via so.
I'm fracking now. Fracking now. I'm not born here. Uncle, fracking. I'm not.
Bueno, man.
Ha. I'm not fracking now. I'm going to tell you. I'm buying me. I'm mother. Say fracking. Bam, we are. See, I'm going to go to Roma because Ibu Ade Roma very soon. Roma now. I Casalina. Egbe amu Frank egbe no mo wike amu
amala gbe no video o wa gbe ebode wa gbe no wa ti ayuto
eri awe adani mi amu yeri mi e asiele lo to iri agoyo hu bai eri awe Frank na say because a rubbish no do awuna all too much be right now ha enagi mana who you be when the person call they beg you I know
that one small girl wey go fit set or muscle up why me ya why you jaluwa why na ya ka
very soon wa ya jega ye mata na you ega na ya head up ega a boy now we no watch we no kaka boy a rubbish no na do too much be right now opani ke vi obog wa ga Frank we Roma na egbe adomu egbe right now no imu area na ega na ya head up na me tell you I like even no ya behave all the time
mostly of you are no me be no wa gwa le be
yele be
awu be only wa da yo mu yen
wana no mo dede ona yegbe akin di ona yegbe akin 47 years obi era no di o ma say 47 no wa wo na ne bo yo wona wa teni eje then they both see back to me and I'm suwa. Don't go blame me, my sister. Ije, don't go blame me. I'll be a pabo de do on our platform of the Yaimia.
Yes,
all that's what
we may watch it. You give us a boy,
I don't know of your pabo de do me party. Mon via here. I thought I have a picture. I tell poor.
Jerry, Jerry, yeah, you say you Ukoko boy, I vow for you, Jerry. You see, I'm not bad. Don't I hear from Comoz when women go for your way.
Yeah, more Jerry. Yeah, more every hour. I papi Jerry, my show when I'm going on.
You want to see me another way, and I'm not doing yet. They not doing I fracking. I have been a got a fracking. I boss on one when I a frack. I like club room or I call it. Ukia kon weka medere 20
okay then e kema enegbe then ikpie do e young boys no forget but gwa agbina o ye courtesan agbina agbina then the boy na if you pege gbasi am me obi dokpa no e boy na no you be nyaga o no you be nyaga o
egbe adom egbe adomu egbe
because the thing they vex me really on I was trapping my boy second on just man a particular boy party no yeni go ahead Ivie my agbe statement to you to us vice bite akmeno you to ni are me I don't know what did happen to our boys.
One will start you marry for. We breathe. Frankie, you get when we saw your ray. I'm not that book, I'm set it bells or bo. We put best of it, bonus of a log as a CIA. Not those dig when no him you were
when they made the next away.
Go for
who that way or when a destiny. No yet talk you a deni mukia. Also yak me. Menesta way, menesta fuck up. I'll give you work besta.
Frankie, no vale, etonomu ne de no muyowa. The devil we give you who are. You can be we get the mocking. Huh? And we get 50 year cavia.
You can be no you. No, you no go job no bad. Me na ebe de ya ya mo no bi ko se. No wo abagun.
Okay, if we buy the roa, oh, one of them was la wa.
The funniest thing, if you doggy me who ni wa ni tawe ihu yakin, ya support you dana. Obe no ya road that guy. Ani e kavon pa no be uwe gwa no do no boy na my muro bi. Ani pe no bi o na hu dana my ya. Amu to.
Unu even na yo gwa ye kiye. Omo dan. What can you start a Frank? Where can you do when next one you are mommy a guilla? Everywhere, I end up in life. Go and market where? What the hour? Well, why you a Roma with 1 room with and wag more phone? What the hour? Huh? Oh, boy, with Romana very soon. I why a girl carry out the okay. Why a well, this were my weather, eh? Why a weather with pieces? This man weather a piece, a very your eye weather. Ubia me ne pa ide yo wa oni wa ewe we mesta wo yen ya so we wa your boy never wa la your boy no o ya so we there Frankie cause all we no do to agbe Frank ha na me gbo na je o e mesta agbo ohun wa mi na de ha sorry
Awon yen wa o kan agele gbo ohun run da we owe owo ma bi na egwe oyata osaibere no sama jebe no bi yeko eti oyate mesta oyate me bi shan nivo eto abokin. And the funniest thing, if you do me wa mi ma ta mu wa ta Egogo Nola is an upcoming musician. I know you all like him, of course. He's our brother, we all like him. But Egogo Nola, when the boy now here, do you know Egogo Nola is a friend to this boy? Even where Dana Ratia Bonem Shanike, then that way unity raw. Of your canima sene, a dumb musicians, a non entertainment. Ni a move your canea buru. He at least have a 1 year suspension or 2 years. Ogi se we bona do agwebo en anyakon. Yo kana na do agwe anyakon. Then the other one no we over e ratete. No we over na no ye na ofaharo. Ina do amo no ye. Jerry enje no do ago na. Video dona no una. A video we me no go web one Jerry enje. Iba bo labo si we ye gbe a. Ogun gbele a. Iya gbe wa. Abi wo to gba wo se we ya. Nima eti temata mawe. What talk me out? We pa mode do what talk ba se ya ni lega we. Nima eti temata mawe we tu zuwo. O ma mugwe we ma mugwe. When ala jando awe gbe video na we ni mission do ni ala awogo ni awe mi ye no sumuna. Na agwa be you abagbon. Mugwe mi boy na me show nene show me nu wa we show show no ma mi owe ya kan le lije. Nu ya Egogo Nola be no pa no ni awo wa tin ogi asen awo ni kiwo no we o be atete ni ati omo ege no be gbosa show no ma ne gbenu wa nu do kun ya wa ya u wa na owa wa na de ri ekeke gwe bu gwe mi e ne show o keke nu gwe de to boy na hunu. Who can say it well because a show, no anybody can come to your show. But who were dead the new? Here to where we look at we are when you to we are work behind. I'm on to a little picture. Where you let me picture there? Who that was here? A fake a promoter. Promoter never license. A promoter never license. We are now where you are. Who I call la who I call gunu. Call gunu ma gbu social media. Because a video where ya mo almost wonu yen ebu gbe mi ona mo dede ya gbu obi ejari. Enu wa we video ni ma be mama gbu e. Mana wa kwa arewe mana bi obi fa doga ya o ma ya na arewe. Ma ni bi edo yesese ma na arewe. Ni ene gbe ni mo. Ma ya na arewe mama gbu we gbo. Baba be video gbodo na gbo be todo odo. Eso awa la dia na eni me wu kebe na iya ifipegbe ya fipege era epa No rien ma pas ma favor. Na wa be you avec moi. On mo done of you zan give me ye. Na wa be you as Jerry. Eh so wa ma on yan wa la video be ne e fi ni mo wa be big go be no yuru. E fo ne so e ti wa yuru. E a fi gbege pa e pa wa. Venu we ya umi omo zuo ni ogun oba mo onu hiye. Ula lo ni san. Mayana yo bodo. What you wear with video na? Where me on Google go. Who was war? Eh promoter level access. Eh betruga. Eh promoter no be government is here. Who a business to no pay tax. Your where we en cow no man hear me here don he cow na wa. As a pa with Italy man. Nana me with legal business e wa ya wa. No a promoter e pay tax. No we car business e pay tax. No gbashawo e pay tax. Ebo no gelebo. Ivie ya ni gbashawo e ti giyan. Here pay tax with that devil here na gbashawo ba. No gbashawo pay tax. No me vie gas be pay tax. No gbeto e pay tax. No meto ora meto wo wa pay tax. No rien wivon ora rien wivon wo wa re e TikTok ma gi awo me ja. Ora rien wivon be wo e wan mo ge ba ni e pay tax. No ribata loko. Ora rien wo TikTok wa be one room Italy e pay tax. Wa gba government wa gbiyan sin as pe Italy ma ene nu wa so gbe ni Italy unda ina emi ebo na we na pay tax anything we awu the extra dimension a lot of Nigerian men ikpiedo di wuna ni awuna na neva e awun ni normal job e be awun ni car dealer e a daily motor wa e a here apia pay tax you man pay tax be na how about you are ije o igo na amunu e oma ga fi moto ki wa so asan bibi ake club ide ona yi moto egbuzo uzo na lefie moto wa fun ona muzo na mu fi ebutu ona atunzo wo wa ona ye na abi wo ye na ya atunzo e ma mi gogo ni and the police bere ene we camera wo ma gbuzo normally o keke not say police immediately ona wa muzo na mu ebutu ona ya aton yi. Okwe Ostra. A traffic amuge was about 7,000 euros as a day. Onanle Italy le ari. Okwe Ostra. Uzo eto yimoto uzo gbe o. Ofi moto ki o yere oke club ide. Uzo na do le fi moto. Okpa yewo na yiwe. Wa gbe ni nevo wa gbe ni Italy wa gbe gweze Italy